Good morning, students. We were on the exercise rational and irrational number and doing the exercise number 1.3. So this is the third part of that exercise. We'll solve the sums today which are in the form of non-terminating decimal expansion, and we are to convert them in fraction, or we can say rational number. Let us start with example 1. We are given here 3.0 bar. Now we are to convert this in a rational number. Let us start the solution. Let x is equal to 0.3 bar. There is a bar on 3, that means 3 is repeating again and again. This is making this number is non-terminating and repeating. So we'll expand it up to infinite. So as we see here, only number 3 is repeating again and again. So we'll have to shift the decimal only for a single digit. So for single digit, we'll multiply both sides by 10. We get 10x equals to, as we multiply this decimal number by 10, we'll shift the decimal one digit towards right. We'll get 3 decimal 333, because there are infinite numbers, so we can write it as we will denote it as equation number 1. Equation number 1 is here and this is equation number 2. Now to find the value of x, we'll have to subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, we get 10x minus x, or we can write it here like this: 3 decimal 3333 and so on, and 0 decimal 333 and so on. So if we subtract this, we'll get 9x in the left hand side, and on the right hand side we can see here after decimal the numbers are same up to infinite. So we'll left with only 3 minus 0, that is 3. Now dividing both sides by the number 9, so we get x on the left hand side and right side 9. After solving, we'll get 3. This is the required fractional number. Now let us do another example. If we are given here a number like 0.3, 1, 3 and 4, and there is a bar on 3 and 4 only. So how will solve this sum? Let us take the given number as y 0.1, 3 and 4. There is bar on 3 and 4 only. So first of all, we'll shift the number which is outside the bar, like this number. We'll have to shift this decimal at this point, so we'll have to multiply both sides by 10, then we'll get this thing. To shift the decimal to the right side, now we got 10y is equal to 1.343434 and so on. As we see here, 3, 4, a couple of numbers, a couple of digits is repeating again and again, so we will have to multiply this whole number. Let us denote it by equation number 1. This whole number by 2 zeros number, that is 100 number. We'll multiply on the left side by 100, we'll get 1000y, and on the right side we'll shift the decimal towards the right side for 2 places, and we get, denote it by equation number 2. Now again subtracting 1 from 2. If we subtract 10 from 1000, we'll get 990 of y. And if we subtract, you can see here after decimal the repetition of couple of digits is repeating again and again in the same way in second equation. So the numbers after decimal will become 0. So we are left with 134 minus 1, that is 133. Let us divide both sides by 990. We'll get y is equal to 133 by 990. This is our required fraction. So this was the topic of today. Thank you.